Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Ellis County in north-central Texas, northwestern Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Barry, or 10 miles west of Corsicana, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: emergency management. Confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Barry, or 10 miles west of Corsicana, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: emergency management. Confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Interstate 45 between mile markers 236 and 251. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Barry around 1:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Elm around 2:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Chatfield, House, and Rice.
Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing a tornado warning for southeastern Ellis County and northwestern Navarro County until 2:30. A confirmed tornado is located near the community of Barry, or about 10 miles. Emergency management as well as on radar. Flying debris can be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes can be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, vehicles will occur, and tree damage. The tornado is near Barry. House and Rice, including sections of Interstate 45. Once again, a tornado warning being issued for southeastern Ellis County and northwestern Navarro County until 2:30. A confirmed tornado 10 miles west of Corsicana, moving northeast.
Moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: emergency